Former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Njabulo Blom has parted ways with Namdi FC. He leaves the club without making his official debut for the Vietnamese club. A statement esipostwe uLawrence Colner. Wayebafethu hayi mina ngazi kwenzakalani career kaMjita. I think it's time for Mjita to come back and revive his career. And when you revive your career like that, obviously confidence yokuthi ngingadlala, like I've been taken to USA, I've played in Vietnam, I've played for big teams. Lento leni ibuyikushaye futhi as a player, but at this point you have to revive your career by doing what? Come back home, play for the lower level clubs. If not, then try and find a mid-table club lapayana somewhere. Maybe not in a super competitive league like those ones, because at that point nama league lawa phezulu. Don't try and go to Abu Saudi, because Abu Saudi obviously would bazuk press. Try and come back and play for, maybe make a request for Abu TP Mazembe, Abu Simba. Okay, Simba no. Maybe Abu TP Mazembe, Eloy Lupopo, amateam kanjalo bafethu. Like, come back and fix your own career. Come back and fix your career.